Today I'm going to show you how we make our multi-mini crystal chip rings. We have over 40 different crystal choices and they're real crystal chips. We also use tarnish resistant wire, which is copper core, and some of them are silver plated. For today's ring I'm going to use 4 of our green crystals. I'm going to use peridot, prehnite, unakite, and green aventurine, and I'm going to use all mini chips. We use 22 gauge wire for our custom sized rings. All of our wires are nickel and lead free, hypoallergenic, and this one is a copper core silver plated wire. The wire we use for our jewelry products is tarnish resistant, with the exception of our raw copper and raw brass choices. I sped this part up by 4 times, but I'm just feeling through all of the crystal chips to find the right size and shape, and then I move everything to the center of the wire just to make sure that the crystals fit together on the curvature of the ring. After I have the crystals secured on the right size on the mandrel, I take everything off and wrap the excess wire around the band to help finish the design. To finish the design, I cut off the excess wire and tuck it back into the ring. I then just need to pop it back onto the mandrel. After the ring is back on the mandrel for the last time, I know everything's in place. I just need to get it to the correct size and lightly hammer it to add some strength to the wire. After we've completed all of those steps, our multi-mini crystal wish ring is ready to be worn. Thank you so much for watching. You can purchase your custom real crystal ring on our Etsy shop. It is called Love Smoke, all one word, LOVESMOKE. We offer sizes 1 through 15, quarter, half, and whole. And then of course over 40 different crystal choices and multiple styles to choose from.